Hello internet world, this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P. This is the vlog combo of this really cool gimbal camera that delivers great quality video along with good quality audio as well. I can't wait to share my unboxing with you. We'll take a look inside the box and also share my initial impressions with you. Now just to let you know, I purchased my DJI Osmo Pocket 4P from Clifton Cameras. They offer exceptional service, absolutely awesome packaging, and I can't fault them. They are really a great company to deal with. If you want to pick up this camera or indeed any other photo or video related accessories and cameras, then please do check out the links down in the video description. So let's get on with the unboxing. We'll take a quick look at the box first. So we've got a picture of the product front and center. This is the vlog combo. You can buy this just as the standard package. This one contains a lot more extra sort of goodies inside the box. We turn this over. We have got some of the main features here and specifications. So we've got dual cameras for cinematic shots near and far. We've also got an enhanced 1-inch CMOS sensor with 17 stops of dynamic range. We've got a classic focal length and a standard focal length delivered by those two different lenses. We've got a new D-Log2 profile in here as well. 4K up to 240 frames per second. We've got in-camera live photo support, 103 gigabytes of built-in storage, that's really awesome, and an 800 megabytes per second transfer rate when you're moving footage off of this onto your computer. We've also got 3-axis stabilisation, ActiveTrack, and up to 12 times zoom. So some really good features on offer here. We've also got all of the box contents listed here as well, but of course there's no need to go through that because I'm going to show you those as we do the unboxing. So we've got a little pull tab here. So here we go, you're now seeing the box contents. And it consists of 2 pouches. We'll take a look at these in a short while. And also this little pack here, which has got some paperwork in it, quick start guide and some DJI stickers. Then we've got this smaller pouch here. Now I believe you're going to use this for the included microphone because this is a vlog combo. So this is a pouch for some sort of cables and the microphone and accessories. Not sure if the camera will fit in here, but it's a nice additional pouch that they include inside the box. Got this swing tag and the full size pouch just here, and then the zip is around on this side, and this is really packed. I will just advise you that once you take this out, it's going to be very difficult to get this all back in exactly as it's shown here, but so neatly packed. So this pouch will, if you're very careful, accommodate everything including the camera. So let's take all of this out and then we'll take a look at each of these in turn. We will leave this one till last because that's the actual camera, so we'll just pop that just there. We'll take a look at these accessories as we open them. So this is really nice. This is the little fill light. I believe it flips open like this, attaches to the camera and draws its power from the camera as well, I believe. And it's just a little fill light, so if you're recording yourself in low light conditions, it's going to sort of light up your face a little bit better. So that's really nice that that's included. So what you're seeing here is the little extension piece for the bottom of the camera. I'm not sure of the official name. Let's just turn this box over and have a look. So this particular piece is called the handle with 1/4-inch thread. So it's a little extension to the handle of the camera. We've got 2 little push tabs just here. We've got the USB-C connection, a USB-C pass-through. This is going to move those little, it's a little button you push in that moves these bits that clip onto the bottom of the camera. And then we've got a 1/4-inch thread on the bottom, so we can attach this to a little tripod. This is a little wind muff for the microphone. Not going to take this out of the pack, but because this is the vlog combo, we do get a microphone, a wireless mic in here. This is going to help with wind noise when you're recording with that microphone. And then here is the actual mic. This is what I was just talking about. So we will open this up and have a little look. So this is the little DJI mic. I've used these before. They are really extremely good microphones, and this allows you to have great quality wireless audio going direct into the Osmo Pocket 4P. And then for the back of the mic, again, I won't take these out. We've got two options here. We've got a little tiny magnet, which allows you to attach it to your clothing, or indeed we've got this little clip, again, which is magnetic, and it just allows you to clip the microphone to your clothing. So you've got two options there for attaching the mic. Then we've got a little tripod. Very, very neat indeed. So this allows you to obviously stand the Osmo Pocket 4P on a desktop or some sort of surface. Can also act as a little mini handle in the closed format, but really nice sturdy little tripod. Now I'll show you this next. This is a little cover for the microphone. So you can see it's this sort of frosted white colour at the moment. You can attach these different coloured covers to the front of the mic. So if you're wearing dark coloured clothing, it just hides the microphone a little bit more. So nice that they include that extra cover as well. This is called the frame tap. There's a little tiny screen. Think of it as a wireless remote for your camera with a preview screen on it. Allows you to control the gimbal on the camera and also to start and stop recording. Little lanyard piece just there, and I assume it actually charges via this piece here. So a wireless remote for your camera, really useful because you don't always want to connect your camera to your smartphone, for example. You might be using a smartphone for something else. So this allows you to control your camera remotely. Very, very cool indeed. We've got another section here with absolutely loads of bits and pieces in. Let's have a look at these. So here we have got a cable. This is going to be for charging one of the components. Yep, so we've got a little docking piece here with USB-C on this end, and this is for this microphone. So once I've taken this sticker off, microphone will sit in here this way round, allows you to charge your microphone. This is a little wrist strap. We have another little wrist strap, so two wrist straps in here. I'm not going to take this out. This is purely a USB-C to USB-C cable. This is a different sort of cable, so I will remove this one from the packaging. I think this is going to charge that frame tap. Pretty sure that this is what it's for. I do sort of wish they were all just USB-C without these proprietary connections on the other end. But if I grab the frame tap, pretty sure if I put it around that way, is it for this or is that this for something else? No, it's not for charging this. Oh, there we go, it is. So this actually is the cable for charging the frame tap. Very, very strange sort of design, but it does the job. Just means you've got to have multiple cables. So USB-C cables in here for charging the camera, this for the frame tap, that for the mic. So you've got three cables to remember. And that is it inside this pouch. So you're seeing all the accessories here that are included in the vlog combo. And here we go. This is the camera itself. Wow. It does look very, very cool. Now we have got various stickers that we need to remove before using this. So we've, for example, got one down the bottom here. We've got one on the screen. We've got some on the lenses as well. So this is really well protected during shipping. And to turn the camera on, we simply rotate the screen. You can see the screen come on and it puts the camera into the correct position. It's going to give us a quick guide. And then we are straight into sort of this guide to show us where all of the menus are. So we can swipe in from various sides of the screen. And that is it. Wow, look at that. Very, very cool camera. Really impressed with the build quality. These little connectors here are where you can connect this fill light. So that's really nice. We've got a couple of buttons here which we can customize. We've got a record button. We've got what looks like a microphone built in just here. Not sure if you can see that. And then we've also got the little joystick for controlling the gimbal. Very, very cool indeed. And then if we want to turn the camera off, we simply rotate the screen and it will power off. Wow, such a cool camera. Very, very nice build quality. We've got a charge port on the bottom here, clear on this side, You can put your wrist strap on here. We can attach the accessory here, that's for that fill light. We've got obviously the two different lenses. This one uses the 1-inch sensor. This one uses a smaller sensor. This is a very, very well built camera, packed full of features, and it looks absolutely superb. If you want to pick up one for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description area. Now, moving on, let me just pop all of these accessories to one side. So as we saw there, we get everything we need to get up and running, and this has got built-in memory. But I have been testing this on one of my other DJI cameras. This is from Samsung, and it's their T9 microSD memory card, and it is tiny. As with all microSD cards, you can see the tip of my finger here. It is a tiny, tiny card. It comes actually in different capacities. You can get this in a 128 gigabyte, 256 gigabyte, and also 512 gigabyte. So I'm going to be using this in my DJI Osmo Pocket 4P. I've already used it in my DJI Osmo Pocket 4, the previous version of this, and it worked exceptionally well. Absolutely superb. And that's because of its high speed rating. If we take a look on the packaging here, we have got read speeds up to 200 megabytes per second and very similar write speeds as well. It just works exceptionally well. Very, very, very high quality memory card, something you can rely on and trust. And as I say, I've been using this in my Osmo Pocket 4, and I'm going to be transferring this over to my 4P and using this just to expand the storage capacity, because I do record quite a lot of video. So I can highly recommend this. It's very, very good indeed. And if you want to pick up one of these for yourself, there's also links down in the video description. And then for those of you who've watched all the way to the end as well, I've got a couple of extra accessories from a company called AMAZEAR. And this is the first one. This is their waterproof hard case. And if I just move these bits around again. So this is a very, very cool case from AMAZEAR for the DJI Osmo Pocket range. And if I open this up, so this is a hard case, and when we open this up, I'll just quickly show you, there are sort of rubber seals all the way round. There's these rubber seals, so it's going to actually seal it really tightly. We've got foam inlay in the lid area just here. We've got a little bit of paperwork. We've also got a strap as well, and we've got a carabiner clip. And this is going to allow you to store your camera. I think it works with the extension piece on. Look at this, custom cut out for the camera. Oh wow, absolutely superb. There's even room in here. I think does the frame tap fit in here? I think it goes up that way. So we can put the frame tap in there as well. And then there's even space for all your other accessories as well. Absolutely superb. And you know that when this is closed, all of your gear inside is going to be super, super safe. That is a really cool storage box from AMAZEAR. Just take a look on the underside. Very cool. Absolutely love it. So that's the first one I want to show you from AMAZEAR. Let's just pull my camera out again. So that's going to accommodate the camera, the frame tap, all the accessories. Probably even got room for your microphone in here as well. Absolutely superb. Next up, we got this carrying case, again from AMAZEAR. Really well made. It's a semi-rigid design, so there's a little bit of flex in this top part here. We got some little rings for putting a strap on. We have got full zips going all the way round. Then when we open this up, we've got this netted pocket in this top section here with a zip, so you can actually put all your accessories in there. And then we've also got these elastic loop pieces just here so that we can attach cables. And if we open this up, we've got some paperwork again. We've got a carabiner clip. We've got a longer sort of web type shoulder strap and a wrist strap. And again, this can accommodate the camera. So it accommodates the camera really nicely. We've got room for the frame tap, I believe, in this corner just here. So you've got your frame tap here, and all of your other accessories can go in here as well. And then this piece, which has got a nice soft cover to it, will actually protect everything once it's inside. This is a really superb case. Absolutely impressed with this. Very, very cool. Great value for money. And as I say, it will accommodate your camera and all of your accessories as well. I think AMAZEAR have done a fantastic job on this. If you want to pick up any of the pieces I've shown you here, either the carry case for all your accessories, or the waterproof hard case, or indeed the memory card, or indeed the camera, the vlog combo, please do check out the links down in the video description. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.